Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trupti. Happy Valentine's week. Today let's see how to get this beautiful soft pink sparkly look which you can easily recreate for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. I'll be using this gorgeous palette from Wet n Wild. First I'll be using this flesh colored shade as my transition shade. I'll be applying this transition shade in my crease and just a little bit above my crease and blending it in the crease with a fluffy blending brush. This blending brush is also from Wet n Wild. As the name suggests, a transition shade will help in transitioning between different shades of color which you pack on your eyelid, and the blending of a darker shade will become much more easier if you have applied a transition shade before applying a dark shade. Next, for my crease color, I'll be taking this berry shade from the same palette. First I'll be packing this color on the outer V of my eyelid and then will be applying it directly into my crease. The intensity of the eyeshadow should always be darker in the outer corner when compared to the crease. So keep packing the shade till you get the intensity which you desire, and with a very light hand keep blending it into your crease. I'll now be switching brushes and I'll be using a flat blending brush which is also from Wet n Wild, and I'll be ensuring that my blending is on point and seamless. Your eyelid space should look something like this when you're done blending. To add some sparkle and bling to my look, I'll be using this metallic eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty, which is a beautiful rose gold color in the shade 05, and I'll be applying it all over my eyelid. This shade is so stunning and absolutely perfect for this Valentine's Day look. For my under eyes, I'll be taking the same berry shade and applying it on my lower lash line with a flat shader brush. For my contour today, I'll be taking this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. I'll be applying it to the usual contouring points such as under my cheekbones, on my forehead, and also on my jawline. I'll be blending this using a damp beauty sponge. I'll be setting this with a powder contour from Sugar Cosmetics. Earlier I used a liquid contour, so to set it I'm using a powder contour on top of it. From Makeup Revolution's highlighter and blush palette, I'll be taking this pink color as my blush and will be applying it on my cheeks. On the same palette, I'll be taking this gorgeous highlighting shade and I'll be applying it to the highest point of my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead on top of my brows. I'll be applying it on my cupid's bow as well. And with a small brush, I'll be applying it on the tip of my nose and also between my eyebrows. I'll be applying this color from the same palette to the inner corner of my eyes. This has a slight pink reflex to it. I'll be using the same color to highlight under my brow bone as well. For my lower waterline, I'll be using this nude colored eye pencil from Wet n Wild. I've popped on a pair of false lashes from Bayfullen. They are the Form Ink lashes. Also, I'll be using a coat of mascara. From the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color range, I'll be using Pink Poison as my lip color. This lip color beautifully complements my eye makeup today and also my outfit. So yeah, with this I finish my Valentine's Day look. I hope you all liked it. Please give a big thumbs up if you did, and also please subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye.